spacecraft impact, asteroid. What? You think science fiction, but this is real. I'm Justina Surovets, and I help tell the story of the DART mission. DART is the Double Asteroid Redirection Test. It is NASA's first planetary defense test mission. We're sending a spacecraft to a double asteroid system. We're going to hit the smaller asteroid with that spacecraft and see if we can nudge that asteroid in space. Hitting the asteroid is going to prove out whether this technique is something that we could rely on were there ever to be a hazard facing the planet. I'm a public affairs officer at the Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Laboratory. What I do is tell the story of this very exciting mission through press releases, through videos, through all sorts of different communications avenues. As a kid, I was always drawn to creative fields. At some point, I got lost in stories, and it just became very easy to talk about these fantastic missions. It's something that impacts humanity, so it's very important to make sure that people understand. The DART mission is first and foremost the first experiment of its kind. There is no immediate threat to Earth. We want to make sure that we can go out there and prepare and be ready. It's very easy to kind of think Armageddon or deep impact. So what we do is try to get the facts out and to make sure that people are getting accurate information versus just hearing sensational headlines.
So as you can see behind me, this is actually the DART spacecraft right here. The solar arrays will actually roll out to 28 feet in length.
It's amazing to be able to talk about it and share it with others.
It's very cool just seeing how the spacecraft takes shape and how our storytelling takes shape as well.
This is so exciting. This is so cool. Have you heard about this mission? We're going to an asteroid. Oh, and we're going to hit it. It's just like the basis of good storytelling. I still kind of pinch myself sometimes because it doesn't seem real.